operator. Now we are moving to the next concept called conditions. So what are the conditions? Conditions help us to make some decision in code based on the conditions, based on some condition. For example, here you we have defined our a variable as 18 and b variable as the name as devaj. So on the basis of these two variables, we can define our conditions. Okay, let us. Yeah. So in condition, first condition is if. So if our a variable is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18, then in the console we can type as you can vote. Okay. But also if our a variable is less than 80, then you should type you cannot vote. So right now our a variable is defined as 18. So on the basis of the condition, let's see what is our output. So in console, our output is you can vote. Why? Because it satisfies the if condition. A's value is equal to 18. But if I change our A's values as uh, something as 10. So here you can see our output is changed to you cannot vote in our the console. So this is the basically condition which help us to make decision based on the some conditions or variable values. Also second type is there second type of condition handling the condition is also there if else else if sorry if it satisfy the condition then if it satisfy the condition, then if block is executed. If it does not satisfy the condition, then the else block is executed. But what if it don't satisfy it doesn't satisfy both of the condition, either if block and else block, none of the block is going to be executed. Then in that case our third block is going to be executed, which is else if. So first inside the else if we will define our variable called we will check for the variable. So let me give some another conditions. uh, for an example, I include the example of marriage. So 21 and 18, sorry, this is not a way. If a is greater than 18 but less than 21, no, this condition is not going necessary to give. So here we are checking if a is greater than equal to 18, then we going to type as you can vote. But if a is greater than equal to 20, then we can type you can marry as well. This is only just an example, not much more than that. So let's me format the code once. Yeah. So here we are checking for the condition that if value of a is greater than 21, then execute this code of block of code. But if the condition is not true, let me take it here. If the if condition is not true, then check for the else if condition and execute that block of code. But if both of them is not true, then execute the else block. So for our code, uh, the a value is defined as 10, which is going to execute you cannot vote. Let me define it as 40. 14. So you can now check the output in our now you can see that the output is you can marry. With you can marry and give the vote as well. So I can write can vote. Yeah. So now we are comparing the age as with using the conditions. So if our we have defined our age as 40, so we are comparing our age as if age is greater than 21, then execute the line number 132. You can marry as well as can vote. But if the age is greater than 18, Means if it is not 21 greater than 21 or equal to, then you can vote. For example, if I define it as 20, then the output in console changes to you can vote. And if I define it as 10, then you can see the output changes to you cannot vote. So this is how the conditions are handled in our JavaScript. Also, there is one more case of handling the conditions, switch case. So for the switch case, we are going to define the day as a variable called first day. So so when you type the switch, there is a suggestion switch statement. Directly you hit enter and your boilerplate code for the switch is ready. So inside the parent series of switch, you need to define the variable on which you are applying the condition. So day, we are going to apply the condition on day. So is defined here. So first, if day value is equal to 1, then type today is Monday. Today type as Monday. It's not more Monday. Okay. But if second case, if today days is not 1, it is 2, then in that case, console.log as today days is Tuesday. And if something is not there, then type as um, sorry, not break. We have to include break all the time whenever the condition is given. And in the default case, we also can define console. um, Today is not Monday or Tuesday. So now on the basis of this is how the switch and cases are created. First, you need to define the variable, and then inside the switch case statements, you need to give the variable name in the parentheses on which you are going to apply the switch case. So as we are going to apply on the day, so I define day. If day value is 1, then first case is 1. If the case means first the day value is going to be compared with the first case value. First case value is 1, day value is equal to 1, then it will going to execute a block console dot log as Monday. Today is Monday, and directly it breaks the statement and come out of the loop. And second is going to, if one is not day value, then if it is second day value is 2, then you can see the output is true. Same way, it will going to compare the value as with the 2 case 2 and execute the block of code. It's and if day's value is something as 5, then you can see the output. Today is not Monday or either Tuesday. Means it will going to compare the value of that variable with each case. If it satisfy any case values, then that case output will be printed. Otherwise, default case will be going to be executed. So that's how the conditions are created in JavaScript. For if by using the if or else block, or either by using the switch and case. The most easy one is by using the if else condition because they are easy to write and also easy to understand rather than creating the switch case block. That's why the if else conditions are very much easier to understand and write in JavaScript. Now, moving to the next concept as loops. So, if by definition, if we understand what are the loops in JavaScript, so loops are basically help us to write execute a block of code again and again. So let me write the definition. Help us to execute the block of code again and again. So what are the loops? Loops basically help us to execute the block of code again and again. For example, someone asks you to type the counting from 1 to 10. So you are in JavaScript. So you are not going to type it again and again by using the console.log. For example, first you have typed the 1, then you type as 2, then you type as 3, and then you type as 4 and so on till 10. So this is not a correct way of typing the number from 1 to 10. Why? Because you are using the console.log statement again and again from 1 to number 10. By manually it is correct, but logically it is not correct. So we are uh, rather than writing the one code of block again and again, we basically use the loops to execute it again and again. So first type of the loop is for loop. So what is the for loop? Is for. So first is how we type the for loop. So the syntax of typing the for loop is for first we define the variable which is int any, which going to iterate on our number from 1 to 10. Either it is 1 to 10 or can be anything. If it is less than 10, then I plus plus. I'll explain you everything one by one. Let me type it once. Console.log I. Why it is giving an error? Wait a second. Yeah, I did a mistake. Int means in JavaScript, int variable, while defining a variable, it is not allowed. So we need to define it as let. Int is useful in Java, not in JavaScript. Yeah, so now you can see, let me type as we are going learning about console loops. So we get a, yeah, from here we are starting to learning about loops. So yeah, so first loop is for loop. For loop, you can understand it as it going to iterate over the values from the given start value to the end value. For example, let me make it more clear. So let start value as 1 and let end value as 10. So we want to print the number from 1 to 10 inclusively. Means it should print the 10 as well. So first it going to iterate over the values from the start value, and then it will iterate till end value, and every time it will increase its value by 1. Plus means it will increase its value by 1 every time, and then it prints. So how the execution of for loop is handled? First, it will come here to see what the variable is defined. This variable is called the iterator, which going to iterate over the values. So what is let me write it here. What is iterator? The variable which iterates over the values. So what is iterator? Iterator is the variable which iterates over the value. So here our iterator is I. It is defined as the start value. Means it will start from the start value as 1 and it will go till end value as 10. And every time, so how the execution is handled? First, it will compare the value of I as let me write. It will compare the value as I as 1. Yeah. Then it will compare the condition. Is the I is less than the end value? Means is 1 is less than equal to 10? Yeah, it is true. I value is 1. 1 is less than equal to 10? Yeah, it is true. Then it will type the output as 1 using the console.log, and again it going to increase the I value from 1 to 10 by doing the 1 plus as 2. So now again in the next iteration the iterator value I will become 2. Again it going to compare the value of 2 I, which is 2, with the 10, and it is true, then it will print the output as true, and again it increase it. So that's how the for loop is executed. And in the same way you can see the output as 1 to, the numbers are printed from 1 to 10. So this is all about the for loop. So next, in the same way we have the while loop. but while loop is somehow different from the for loop. Why? Because for loop is executed only once we know the limit till which point or till which end we have to iterate. Since in the example you can see we know we have to iterate from value 1 to 10. That's why we used the for loop. Okay, so here I can also define that we are using it only when we know, sorry, knew the limit. When we knew the limit till which end we have to iterate. So in that case, the for loop is used, but while loop is used only when it is used. So only it is used only when the limit is not defined. So what is the while loop? When we are using it, we are using it only when the limit is not defined. For an example, uh, let me think about. Let me take an example. So this is one misconception also that while loop is only used when the we don't know how many iterations we have to do. Rather than defining limit, we can do the iteration when number of iterations is not defined. Here also we can um, make it as a iteration number of iterations. For loop is used only when the number of iterations are defined, but while loop is not. It can be used for the two purpose. Either when we don't know the number of iterations, and second time we can also use it once uh, we can also use it as a for loop. Means also use it as a for loop. So while loop it has two uses. It is all used as a for loop as well as it is used when the number of iterations are not defined. So for an example, here we are printed the number from 1 to 10. In the same way, we can print it using the while loop. So what is the syntax? First, define the while. Here you can use the while statement. So here condition is written. Inside the condition, you can define until I is less than equal to 10. But you can see I is not defined. So let me define the variable called let I is equal to 1. So I is equal to 1. So until the I is less than 1, type the value as its value from its value I, and each time you do the I plus plus. Here I can make one more comment as not comment of console.log while loop. So yeah, now in we have defined the variable I as 1, and we are checking if I value is less than 10, then type it and increase its value till it becomes 10. In the while loop you can also see the output is 10. So this is one of the use case of while it can be used as a for loop as well, but it can also be used when the iteration is not is when the number of iteration is not defined. So for that case, let us use name as inside we are checking if until the sorry until the name is not equal to Devaj, type the output as your name, you are telling wrong name. So that the browser gets refreshed once. So every time it will ask for the name. if name is not same as the Devaj, it will again ask going to ask for its value. So yeah, there's some mistake. This should be we are asking for the name is from. So it will ask the user its name. If the name is not correct, or we can type it as tell me your name. Tell me your name. So why it is taking us so much time? Yeah, so here you can see the cursor is blinking. Yeah, so first it is asking for the name. If I print my name is as XYZ and hit enter, it will again going to ask me as the name until I write my name as Devach. So now you can see the it going means it going to ask for the name input when it matches the name when it matches the name as Devach. So this is the use case when we don't know the number of iteration we need to execute. So the last concept is type of loop is do while loop. Let me type its name first. So the while loop, it is same as the while loop. Only the difference is that in the while loop we are checking the condition first. Then we are performing a set of actions or tasks. But what happens in do while loop? We are checking for the we are perform. It is totally a reciprocal of while loop. We are performing the task first, then we are checking for the condition. So what is the syntax of writing is? So first we define the do block. Inside the do block, just to perform the action, and then check for the condition. If I is less than, sorry, this time we are going to perform it as 10. No, if I is less than equal to 10. So this will ask for the name as Devaj. Let me type it as Dev. So this is the way. Wait a second. Yeah, the mistake is that out after this loop, the I value is initially 10. So this block is not going to be executed. So we need to reverse the condition. I should be minus until the I value is greater than 10. So let me give my name as Devach. Yeah, you can see the output is continuously running up. Why? Because and this condition is known as the infinite loop. Oh, the I value is always be greater than going to be 1. So it should be greater than 0. Let's the browser gets refreshed it once more. It again. So typing my name Devach. Now going into the console.log again. And now here you can see after the do while loop uh, means first in our for loop we run that task. Again in our while loop we define variable as I and we executed its value until its value is greater than equal to 10. Okay, so after that while loop its value will become 11, then it stop executing. Now in the same do while loop we are using our value I. So what we are doing first we are perform typing our value means printing our I value in console. Then we are checking if its value is greater than 0, then do its minus and print it again. So this is the do while loop in which we are performing the task first and then we are checking for the whether our condition is true or not. So this is all about the today's video in which we have learned about three concepts: operators, uh, conditions, and the third one is loops. Hope you find it very helpful. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.